So what happens when I let an AI-powered toothbrush control my smile for 24 hours? I have been testing out the Brusho electric toothbrush, and honestly, it's kind of wild. It's got all these different modes, settings that adjust to how I brush, and the battery lasts for weeks without charging. Plus, there's an app that tracks your brushing data so you can actually see how well you're doing. Pretty crazy, right? I'm gonna follow its guidance for a full day and see if this thing really is smart as it sounds. So stick around because the results might just surprise both of us. AI technology is trending right now, and pretty soon it's going to be everywhere. And it has come to our toothbrushes now. A company called Brusho sent me an AI-powered toothbrush. Yes, you heard correct. A toothbrush that has brought AI technology to it. Let's unbox this and see what this toothbrush is all about. And is it really smart? Let's find out. So I've actually already opened the toothbrush box because I wanted to get myself familiar with it before I talk about it. It's a good idea because I found myself being more confused than anything. If anybody can relate, drop that down in the comment section for me. This AI technology, they say it's smart, but a lot of times it's not smart. It's rather stupid, kind of like a smartphone. They're not always that smart. So it took me a few days to get familiar with this thing. And so many times I kept saying, it doesn't work. It's not working. I don't know what's going on. But turned out it was mostly me that was dysfunctional. I just didn't know how to use it. So I have spent some time getting to know this toothbrush, and I think I understand it a little bit better. There is a learning curve to it, but I am going to go over all of that stuff in this video with you so you don't have to struggle if you want to pick one up. You can just follow along with me. So this comes with a pamphlet, all the settings that this toothbrush can do. This is what it looks like inside. It has different compartments. So this compartment here was actually where the brush heads are. So you open that up. This toothbrush does come with 2 brush tip heads. They look like this. There's a little barcode on here that you set up your tips with. It has a charging base area, which is this. It just sits on there. Each charge lasts for days, and when I got it, it came with 87%, so I didn't have to charge it, but I did. I charged it to 100, and it's been at 100 for days, and I don't have it on the charger. It also comes with the brush handle itself. So the little box has the brush handle. This is what the toothbrush looks like. In the head, it just pops on, which is very hard to go on and off. But it just pops back on. Here is your settings. You download an app. It's the Brusho app, and the app will actually show you everything that you can do with this toothbrush. It has different modes, such as deep clean. It will also recommend you put in what you want to do with your teeth. Ask in the app if you want to whiten your teeth, you click on that. If you want to treat periodontal disease, you can click on that. If you have orthotics in your mouth, you can click on that. And then it will suggest a brushing mode. For me, it suggests deep clean as being the best method for me to use for the things that I want to do. So that is the mode that I am in. I hit this button up here and it starts to deep clean. You can hear it. That will actually run for 2 minutes. And in the app, you can watch as each quadrant of your mouth you're hitting, and it will show you the surfaces that you're hitting. So it's pretty darn neat. I do like it. I have used this for 24 hours and did nothing but do different modes with this toothbrush for 24 hours. And I will tell you that my mouth definitely feels really clean. I do still like being able to use a manual toothbrush. I will probably still also use a manual toothbrush from time to time. That's just me and my brushing habits. But I will admit that after 24 hours of using this, my mouth did feel real fresh and real clean, and I definitely like it. Will it replace my manual toothbrush? Probably not completely, no, but I will use this. I will continue to use it. It's pretty neat. Okay, with the toothbrush, there's definitely a learning curve to it. If you pick one of these up, you want to play with it. Get to know the settings. Learn how it works. Play around with the app. The app is a little confusing. If I made any recommendation, I would say to make the app a little more user-friendly, because that is where I struggled. I struggled with finding the different modes and settings and how to change things in that app and how to actually get my toothbrush to run off the app. And I think what I found is just once you press this power button and you have your phone and app open next to you, that it just automatically brings up the diagram of the mouth. So you'll see where you're brushing. The more pressure, the better. Another tip I'm going to give you that I did not know about using an electric toothbrush is that you don't use it like you do a manual toothbrush. When I started using this, I started just willy-nilly, just, brushing my teeth like I normally would. And this is going. You don't do that. What you do is you power it on and you push and you let the toothbrush do its thing. And you just move in between quadrants of your teeth. And every 30 seconds, this thing will make a noise to alert you to move to the next station of your mouth. So that's pretty cool. My water pick does that also. After 30 seconds, it'll tell you to move to another area of your mouth. It's divided into 4. You have your upper back on both sides, your lower back on both sides, and then here and here. Let me know down in the comment section. Have you tried an AI-powered toothbrush? Are you curious about trying one of these? I'm going to leave the link down in the description box for Brusho. You can go check out their website and see if an AI-powered toothbrush is something that you might be interested in giving a try. If I have any discount codes, I will also leave those linked below so you can save yourself a little bit of money on picking one of these up. Thanks everybody for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment your thoughts down below. What do you think of these things? Are they cool? Are they stupid? Are they as smart as they claim to be, or not so smart? AI technology is going crazy right now. Before you know it, you're going to have an AI-powered boyfriend. All right, let's start with a toothbrush, guys. Have a great day. Bye.